we are reviewing the Double Eagle M58A pump action shotgun. It has quite a small cartridge on this. Never mind. And you see it's quite plastic. You can see that there's a weight in the back here to try and even it up a little bit. There is a safety. It's just, so I think it's quite awkward. I'd rather it been on the side, to be honest. And then obviously a slide for pumping it. There are strap points here and here, which you could wear a strap, but I prefer not to. And it's claimed to have 330 feet per second. Let's see what it's going to be like firing it into the back of a crappy old iPhone. There's no real sight on this either. Okay, so there was a lot of rebound off that, but I don't think I actually did any damage to the iPhone. So yeah, not brilliantly impressed, but I mean it might be okay for where it is. But anyway, thanks for watching.